Good morning, dear students. Myself Shukmar Eremet. I am coming from Kopanur. Today we shall discuss about chemical reactions and equations. Chemical reactions and equations. And you know about that. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is nothing but when two or more substance are combined, the formation into any subject. New substance is called as a chemical reaction. In chemical reaction, both chemical change and physical changes takes place. One is physical change. What is physical change? Whenever two substances are combined, there is no new substance is formed. That is called as what? Physical change. For example, you can take that you cutting of tree. It is a physical change. Another one you can take that burning of paper. What happens when you burn the paper? What will be happen? There are so many changes that takes place. One is a change of color, change of gas, change in color, change in state. See, almost all you can see. Next one, chemical reaction. See, chemical reaction by using of some chemicals. Magnesium ribbon, when you react with air, what happens? A magnesium oxide is formed. Magnesium, you know the formula of magnesium. What is the formula of magnesium? You know that chemical formula, Mg. Mg plus oxygen O2 to formation of MgO. See, in a chemical reaction there are 2 points you have to remember. One is chemical, that is the reactant, another one product. What is reactant? Reactant is the what? it is the combine of chemical reaction. It is the form of chemical reaction, and the formation of substance is called as a product. Both points are involved in the chemical reaction. Both points, reactants and products. In the magnesium ribbon is the react with oxygen. What is produced? Magnesium oxide. Here magnesium and oxygen are the reactants and the magnesium oxide is the product. Here the magnesium oxide is the product. See, this is the simple way to understand the chemical reaction. See, next one, what is chemical equation? Chemical equation is nothing but, in the chemical equation, it is the involving of reactants and products in the LHS side and RHS side. What is LHS side? That is the right hand side. RHS, right hand side, left hand side. You have to remember LHS and RHS. See, in the chemical equation, if you use the chemical words, it is very difficult to write. For example, zinc, ZINC. See, zinc plus sulfuric acid, the formation into zinc sulfate plus hydrogen. See, if you write all these the chemical names in the word form, it is very difficult. If you know the chemical formula, what happens? It is very easy to understand. For example, zinc. What is the chemical formula? Zn plus. And another one. What is the another one? Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. And formation, arrow mark. It is the formation of product. See next one. What is formed? Zinc sulfate, ZnSO4 plus H2, that is the gas, hydrogen gas. See, it is very easy to understand when you know the chemical formula. Before, if you know about periodic classification, that is the periodic elements. How many elements are there in the periodic table? You know that 118 elements. How much? 118. At least you know about 15 elements. Then only you can write the chemical formula and you can write the chemical equation. See, next concept is how to write the chemical equation. How to write the chemical equation? It is very simple. See, in the reactant side, if you write the reactants, in between reactants a plus sign is very important. After that you show the arrow mark. Then in product side also you have to using a plus sign. See, then you can see that a chemical formula. How use the chemical, write the chemical equation. Simple. A simple equation you have to write. Hydrogen plus oxygen to formation of water. What is the chemical formula of hydrogen? You know that. That is H2. And another one H2. Oxygen, that is O2. To formation of water. What is the formula of water? You know that H2O. What is the formula? H2O. See, you must write the equation. See, this is very important to understand. See, now I will show you some reactions and you have to know about the reactions, how to write the chemical equations. First one, carbon plus oxygen to formation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Simple. Carbon, what is the formula of carbon? C. And oxygen, O2. And another one, that is the product side, that is CO2, carbon dioxide. That is a simple chemical equation. Next one, you have to write another one. Hydrogen plus chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, that is hydrochloric acid. You know that is one of the acid, hydrochloric acid. See, you have to write. See, write, all of you write now. See that.